Welcome. If you're looking to update your high school information on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's new update, the process is simple, but it's a little different from before. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can change your high school details quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal Facebook page. Now that you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll usually find it just below your cover photo, along with other tabs like Posts, Friends, and Photos. Click on About to access all your personal details. Once you're in the About section, find and click on Work and Education. This is where Facebook stores all your information about your job history, colleges, and high school. Scroll down until you see your high school listed. Next to your high school's name, you'll notice 3 little dots. Go ahead and click on those dots. A small menu will appear. Choose Edit School from the options. Now you can make any changes you need. Whether you want to update the name of your high school, change the years attended, or add new details, this is the place to do it. Take your time to make sure everything is accurate. When you're done, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This will update your high school information on your Facebook page, and your changes will be visible right away. And that's it. You've successfully updated your high school details on Facebook using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.